Hey, and welcome back to DIY Under 5, where we cover a do-it-yourself project in under 5 minutes. In this episode, we had a GE brand microwave go bad on us after only 3 years of use, so I set out to switch brands and ended with an LG microwave. The LG has been a great microwave so far. The old GE, though, was flush mounted in our cabinets, and I quickly learned that the mounts are not universal, nor are they cheap, ranging from about 180 up to 250 or more. So I set out to keep this GE frame and come up with a solution to insert the new LG microwave. As you would expect, the bottoms and feet of microwaves vary. This was the case between the GE to the LG, and therefore I couldn't use the existing bottom bracket, which is compatible with the mounting frame. So I had to build a new base for the LG to rest. The base had to address both height, as well as ensuring the microwave doesn't slide when pressing buttons. I ended up with MDF as the base, and repurposed these baby gate wall mounts. These mounts allowed the microwave feet to sit down inside them. I used a combination of wood shims and Gorilla Tape in layers to level the feet for the microwave to sit in. With boards in position, also framed out with Gorilla Tape as you see, I screwed the MDF down, and then I placed the microwave. With the new LG microwave in place and resting inside the repurposed baby gate ends, I ensured the microwave was level and would not move either side to side or back to front. Now I was fortunate to have these baby gate holders for the microwave to sit in, but had I not had those, I would have simply cut and secured strips of wood to build a foot frame, resulting in the same outcome. With the microwave in place, I screwed in the mounting bracket and attached the flush mount frame. We've been running this setup for over 6 months now, and it's worked like a charm. If you're taking on this project, know that you could easily adjust your microwave's depth if you prefer a more set back or a more stick out look when you install your base. Also note you could easily build a custom frame yourself and take a countertop microwave and flush mount it, but make sure that you have the proper ventilation in the surrounds. You can check your user guide and information about your microwave just to ensure that it's compatible with being mounted. Well, hopefully you learned something this episode, and you don't go buy a new microwave frame that costs the same amount as your microwave. Now get out, be creative, go do it yourself. We'll see you on the next one.